If you have not found your visual resource, you will open up a Google window. For some reason your internet's not working, you're going to go up here to this little internet guy, the Wi-Fi symbol, and you can turn it off, and then you be sure to turn it back on. Um, and then after you turn it back on, you should see that it's all black. Like it might cycle through a few times and then it'll be all black. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, you can go join another network, and you're going to type in, and this is all on the board, okay? You're going to type in DPS student, security, WPA2 enterprise, and then 459 student, and then 459 chalk. We're going to show the password so you can see it. So that's what that looks like, and that information is on the upper right and the upper left corners of the board. I don't need to join it because my Wi-Fi symbol is black, so I'm good. So I'm going to hit cancel. All right. If for some reason you can't get Google to open up in Safari, you can try Firefox, and you can try Google Chrome. Those are options for you. But again, it's troubleshooting. You gotta try the different search engines and see what you can come up with. Okay, so we're gonna go, I'm looking for a picture of a dog. My dog's named Nola, but we'll just see if there's a picture of her on the internet. I know she got a picture one day at the dog park, but I don't see it here. Okay, well, none of these are my dog, but when you find a picture of an animal that you want to use, I'm going to change this. Alright. Oh, I like this one. Okay. That's what my dog looks like. So I'm going to click on Control, or press Control and then click. I'll get Save Image As. So again, that's Control, click, Control on your keyboard and click on your mouse. And it says Export As. Well, you gotta name it something, and I'm gonna call it my dog picture. And we want to put .jpg. So it's a JPEG. And then I'm going to find my folder, which is Liz Dilly, and I will save it in there. Okay? When you are done, you're going to create a new document by going File, New. You'll title it Your Name, Animal Cartoon. Okay, you can do some sort of proportional image that's like a sheet of paper, like 8 by 10, 12 by 18, 18 by 24, and then you want your resolution to be 300 pixels per inch. Projects, we always do 300 pixels per inch. Okay, I've already made this one. So to get my dog picture in here, I will go File, Place. Go to my documents, which I'm already in, and then find my folder, which I'm already in, and then go pick on the dog pictures. But if I had to do it again, I'd go there, Documents, Liz Dilly, and then find my dog picture. Place. Alright, it's very blurry. It's probably a little bit too small. We'll see what happens when I make it bigger. I'm holding down Shift to constrain the proportions. So Shift is on the keyboard while I drag my mouse to make it bigger or smaller. We'll see what this happens when I press Enter and see if this pixelization is resolved. And that looks pretty good. I don't like this big white space. So I'm going to crop it to the same size as my dog here. So outline my dog and then hit enter. And that is your crop tool. That's right here. Alright, now I just need to lock the picture of my dog and add some new layers to work on. We need a color layer, we need a line layer, line drawing, we need a color layer, and we need a details layer. And just clicking on those letters to get that to do that. Now if I click on here, this comes up, so you just have to cancel if that happens. Okay, that's how you get started with this document. Watch the next video if you want to see how I use these layers to paint.